Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python function to multiply all the numbers in a list. Sample list 8, 2, 3, minus 1 and 7. So given a list of numbers, that is you can see over here. So these are of integer type. So you have to multiply all the numbers present in the list and return the product as a return value from the Python function. So let's try to solve this. So let me define a function that is a product, and let's pass the list containing the numbers. So let's say numbers as input argument. So this is of list type. Yeah, so once we define a function, so let's take a variable to store the product, that is let's say total. So this is my variable, so let's initialize it to 1. Yeah, so once we initialize the total variable, that is to find the product, now let's iterate all the numbers present in the list, that is for number in numbers. So you just take a variable that is total multiplied equals to the number. Yeah, so here you are iterating all the numbers present in the list and multiplying it with a variable that is named as total. So once the for loop completes, so you will be having the product of all the numbers present in the list present in the total variable. So let's use a return statement to return the total. Yeah, so this is a Python function to find the product of all the numbers present in the list. So in the main program, so let's ask the user to enter the numbers. So let me take a length variable. So this is used to store the list length. So let's use input function call and ask the user to enter list length. Yeah, so once the user enters the list length, so let's convert it into an integer type using the type conversion. Yeah, so once we get a length variable, so let's take an empty list of numbers and try to fill it, that is numbers underscore list, and let's assign an empty list to it. So we will be asking a user to enter the number and filling this list variable. So in order to iterate from 0 to list length, that is a length variable, so we will be using the for loop. So let's take a for loop for underscore in range of length. So what you do is you are iterating from 0 to the list length, and let's take a temp variable and use the input function call to ask a user to enter the number present in the list. So let's say enter number present in list. Yeah, so once the user enters the number that is present in the list, so let's convert it into an integer type. And yeah, so once we get a temp value, so let's append it, that is let's take a list and let's use a append function call, that is built-in function, and let's pass a temp value. Yeah, so this is a method to accept the numbers, that is list containing numbers, into your program. Yeah, so once we are done accepting the list, so let's call the function. So let me directly use the print function call, and let's use a print formatting, and here so product of numbers present in the list. So let me write it, product of numbers present in list is, let's give colon, and let's use a flower braces, and let's directly call the function by passing the, that is given list of numbers. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program that uses Python function to multiply all the numbers in a list. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So enter the list length. So I have 5 elements. So let me go top. So you can see 8, 2, 3, minus 1, and finally 7. So you can see the product of numbers present in the list is minus 336. So given sample list produces the product, that is 336 minus. Let me re-execute it. So enter the list length. So let's give 3 and let's say 1, 2 and 5. So you can see 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 and 10 multiplied by 1 is, that is 10. Yes, so this is a complete Python program that uses Python function to multiply all the numbers present in the list and returns the product of the, that is product of all the numbers present in the list. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.